Hello dear learners, this is Dr. N Waghmare and today we are going to learn one of the most important soft skills, that is team building. No one can win a war. It needs an entire army to win every battle. And today in this video we are going to learn what are the important factors of team building and how to build an effective team. The learning outcomes of this session is, at the end of this session, students will be able to understand the importance of teamwork. Helen Keller says that alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. There is a very famous African proverb that if you want to go fast, go alone, but if you want to go far, go together. Togetherness is a guarantee of success. If you work alone, maybe you can work fast. But if you want the quality of the work, then teamwork is always a better option. What is a team? I would like to request you to pause the video and write this answer in your notebook. What is a team? Is team and group are similar with each other? Many a times we go to watch a movie and there is a crowd. Is that crowd a group? Or is that crowd a team? There are many people who are waiting for a train on a railway station. Can we call that as a team? Definitely not. There are many differences between a team and a group. Team is a group of people who are working to achieve a common objective. Team means together everyone achieves more. Here the T stands for training. Training is very important in team building. E stands for educate, A for attract and M for motivate. Motivation is the important factor in team building. We can define a team that total energy accumulate manpower. These are the essential elements of team building. Togetherness is very necessary. At the same time, every team member must respect other team members. Motivation inspires team to achieve their goal. Harmony is very necessary. Without harmony, nobody can work in synchronization. Network, collaboration, support and work ethics help team to perform better. Building a team and working with it effectively and harmoniously is quite a daunting task. It is easy to get the players. Getting them to play together, that's the hardest part. Anyone can get the requisite number of team members, for example, a football team or a cricket team. But it is another matter to develop it into a cohesive group wherein all the members perform in sync with each other. It requires a lot of effort and skills to transform individual members of a group into a team, the members of which act in the interest of the whole team rather than focusing on individual glory or satisfaction. Let us learn what is a team. Team is a group of people who come together in order to solve a problem, meet an objective, or tackle an issue. The interest of individuals merge into the interest of the team, wherein there is supremacy of team goals over individual goals. Means here every team member gives more importance to the goals of team and they sacrifice their individual interest. The different members bring in various ideas, discuss together all the pros and cons and take a collective decision. Why do the teams work better? It is a fact that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Individuals who are the parts of the team bring with them a range of various elements such as talent, knowledge, contacts, attitudes. When all these elements are put together, they ensure the effective working of a team as well as a well-knit unit. Now let us learn how to build an effective team. An effective team can be built by following these guidelines. Get to know one another. It is very necessary to know the likes, dislikes, attitudes, aptitudes, beliefs, aspirations, and individual goals of your team members. Efforts have to be made to ensure that everybody's viewpoint is discussed, but ultimately decisions are taken by the consensus. It means team has to believe in we are agree to disagree and a respect should be given to everybody's opinion. Identify available resources. Don't complain about the lack of resources. Instead of that, try to perform with available resources. Not only the resources which are readily available, but also the ones that can be easily arranged. Establish rules of behavior. Members to demonstrate behavior that encourages team spirit and respect for each other's viewpoint. Cooperate. Do not compete with your team. Instead of that, cooperate with your team members to perform better. When the team has reached a decision in spite of any individual's objections, they need to consider it as a team decision and cooperate in performing all those tasks which are required in achieving the team's objectives. Individual behavior in team. Certain behavioral patterns could be helpful in a team while others may cause damage. The harmful behavior in team are: if some member of a team is constantly critical, then it will leave a negative impact on the performance. Dominating behavior, manipulating behavior, or the judgmental behavior are also harmful in team building. If any member of the team is uninterested, then a team cannot work in harmony. If some members are having sub conversations, if all of the team members are simply agreeing for everything without the proper discussions, then it is also harmful behavior. Team should not avoid to take decisions. If team members are avoiding to take the responsibility, then it is also the harmful behavior. Team members should not make fun of others' ideas. Now let us learn the characteristics of helpful behavior in team building. Every member of the team must be optimistic. Hope for best always. Do not waste the time. Be punctual. All the team members should support each other. Be courteous. Give respect to each other. Be open-minded. Participate. Listen. Active listening plays a very important role in team building. A good leader is not the one who always speaks, but a good leader is a person who actively listens to his team members. Share the work. Present ideas clearly. Be prepared. If you fail to plan, it means you are planning to fail. Then proper preparation is a guarantee of success. Respect others' views. Don't use labels. Don't be judgmental. And don't exaggerate the situation. Let us learn some of the ways to involve your team members. Team members can be involved by asking open-ended questions, assigning specific tasks, asking for opinions, and rotating the team roles. Team decisions. In order to reach team decisions, the following process need to be adopted. First, team should gather the information. Then, they should analyze the information. After that, generate and discuss the ideas. Then analyze various alternative solutions and decide with consensus. A successful team is a group of many hands and one mind. Team building brings people together by encouraging collaboration and teamwork. Team building in the workplace is a process of creating a team that is cohesively working together towards a common goal. The importance and main purpose of team building is to create a strong team through forming bonds and connections. Creating these bonds through team building is very beneficial to businesses and organizations. The benefits of team building include increased communication, planning skills, employee motivation, and employee collaboration. There are 6 important elements of team building. First is role clarity. How clear it is to this person what behaviors and tasks you expect. Role clarity will help every team member to do his job best. There should be no confusion among the distribution of the work. Trust. How confidently this person feels he or she can rely on your skills and characters. Trust is the foundation of the team building. If there is a trust in team, then definitely that teamwork can do the dream work. Job satisfaction is also very necessary. How happy you make this person feel about doing his or her job. Commitment. How attached or loyal to the organization this person you make this person feel. Team members should be committed to their team goals and to the institution. Motivation. Motivation is a magic. How competent you make this person feel in his or her position. Motivation keep the team moving. Empowerment. You should empower your team members with proper training and educating them. How much freedom to self-organize this person feels he has from you. When I is replaced by we, even illness becomes wellness. So it is the magic of we. Henry Ford says that coming together is a beginning, keeping together is a progress, and working together is a success. Then if you want to achieve success in your life, you should believe on team building. No one can whistle a symphony. It takes a whole orchestra to play it. So please try to understand the importance of teamwork and not only dream to become a great leader, but at the same time learn to become an effective member of the team. These are the references. Thank you.